entry and to wait until I'll get a really nice risk to reward. To get a 2-to-1 or I don't know, 50%, I don't think it's not for me. If I will play something like that, I want a high risk to reward. Well, we are live on YouTube, so that's good. I took this one on 1 minute chart. Well, you can see it here on 1 minute. You'll see it even better. Opening, well, touch 61.8, but usually you get a bounce if the volatility is high, the price is strong. You will get a bounce from 61.8, and you can see bounce, retest, and I said, okay, if we'll form a W, if we'll trade above this level, will form a W, I want to get in, and I took the trade here. I had a 2-to-1, kind of 3-to-1, but not enough. I prefer to be stopped out. If the market will test the lows, I'll be stopped out, not a big deal. But like I said, I want a high risk to reward on this one. I don't know if I'll manage to get it. So I'm in this trade. This one, you can see that from yesterday, it's just ranging here, just going up and down. Nothing special. It's not bearish. It's not bullish. Had a nice pump here, rejection, and you can see took the high, and now is going in a range up and down, consolidating this level, accepting and keeping above 50 cents. Well, it's not bad. Okay, now let's go back on Bitcoin. Let's see our 5-minute chart. Well, almost. Just 1 second, please. I want to put the order in the market because otherwise I'll just speak and you'll make money. Done. Okay. Let's see. Come on. A little bit. Well, let's see. I'm in. Now, could push higher and stop me out. So now you know that I'll lose money with you or I will make money with you. It's just a scalp. It's just an SFU setup, a way we like to play the SFU setups. Fake out, taking the liquidity. And you can see here, you had a 3-minute chart here, a 5-minute chart here, closing below, retest that level, the SFU, seems like wants to go down. Keep in mind, it's just a scalp on 3-5-minute chart. You should be pretty aggressive in moving your stop loss to scratch, if will be the case. Well, now we can see if this is the top. Well, I'll close half of the trade because I have the window of risk pretty small, $400. I could afford to close half of the position and keep the rest and having a hedge for my portfolio. Doesn't sound bad. Let's see how the market will behave here in this small support. Well, you wanted to trade live with me. You saw how I'm framing the trades. Scalping is pretty fast and is not for beginners, that's for sure. Okay, so we have this one. I'm not trying to do anything short on Ethereum for the moment. I told you that I don't want to short Ethereum. I will prefer to short on Bitcoin. Yeah, I will go down with Bitcoin, but it's stronger and stronger by the day. Now what we can do, let's not wait for this one. We have the order in the market. We cannot push the price up and down looking at it. So let's look at something else. Well, we touched $3,000. Well, that's good. SFU this level and we touched $3,000. Yeah, Mr. Helicopter. Staying at this level or going down a little bit, nothing unusual. But you can see it's a bit stronger than Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum. Well, Manta, the trade from yesterday in the New York session, you can see it's nice in profit. Hopefully we'll hit our target and maybe even more. I prefer to keep it as long as possible. Alt is trying to push higher. It's trying, I don't know if we'll succeed or not, but it's trying to push higher. If you will zoom out on you can see the range and you can see it's trying to break out from and accept above 50 cents. If we'll manage to do that, I don't know. Usually I prefer to fade the trend here, to think range and accepting back below. But this time I'm not shorting. In my plan, I have a problem. I'm not allowed to short altcoins. So I'll just wait. Dimension, well, we tried. We are still just a bit below entry, and you can see if we'll accept below our stop loss, could go down a lot more. Let's hope it's not the case and we'll push higher. Slow and steady, step by step, let's see what will happen. Jupiter, like I said, long range, it's at entry if you want to take it, but I think Jupiter will range for a longer period of time, so it's up to you. Here you can see the classic example of FOMO and a lot of influencer pushing this one, and you can see what happened. Really nice bullish opening, breaking down, dead cat bounce, and we need to consolidate that move. Keeping in mind that they got at 2 cents, well, we are still 5 times higher than the price they got in. So it's totally up to you if you want to trade this one, but I don't see a W here. I don't see anything. Yeah, we can consider this one a long reload zone on lower time frame, but show me something here on lower time frame. Let's see. Seems like our trade on Bitcoin is working really nice. Well, from this point, it's up to you what you do with the trade. Now, from this point, it's totally up to you if you want to keep it, if you want to close 50% and leave the stop loss at the original place. How you micromanage the trade, it's a different story. We are teaching VIP guys how to do that. Capua 2 people how to micromanage the scalps. Is not a subject for I don't know, for this live stream. It's not so simple. So we have the M, we have the breakdown. My stop loss is still at the original place. I would prefer to be stopped out again than to micromanage the trade or to be too aggressive on moving my stop loss. If the market wants to push higher and stop me out, so be it. I'm hunting high risk to reward here. Okay, let's go on what we have. Jupiter land. Yeah, I think what. Well, hello. You can see if you'll zoom out. Well, you have something here, no? On lower time frame, you can say that Maybe this one is a W. I don't see any confluence from indicators. I don't see any bullish divergence, nothing. But we are at 78.6 and we are forming a W. We can range here. Yeah, we can. But it's up to you if you want to frame a trade on lower time frame. Maybe on lower time frame we have some. Nothing here. Well, actually something here, but well, come on. Now we have something. On 50-minute chart, we have a bullish divergence confirmed here. So if you want to play that one, we have a good location. That's the first thing we are looking for. And then we have a W trying to form here. What I prefer a breakout and a retest, and I'll enter at the retest. You can see here we have one bullish divergence. Actually, this one, no. This one, from this level to this level. And we confirm the divergence here. Now, you can see we are fighting at the 50 level. If the W will form and will break to the upside, we'll accept above 50% level. And that could mean that it's a valid setup. Not 100%, but it's a valid setup. You can play this one. But you need a breakout. And a retest. I don't want to take the breakout. If you want to do that, okay, it's up to you. Do it. But I don't like that. So what I can do, I could wait for the breakout and then for the retest, enter at the retest, hunt a 2 to 1, trail the rest if will be the case. If you want to play something on land. In my view, we can go sideways for a long period of time, so I'll not focus on this one. Let's go back on 1 hour chart. We had a trade on this one. In the morning, I said about this symmetrical triangle, kind of, and not the best solution for us to be bullish here on when. And you can see we're slowly bleeding to the downside. But if we'll retest 78.6, here in the long reload zone, we can reload. We had a trade already on this one. We had a nice trade and we took this on KuCoin. We didn't retest all the way down here, but on Dex Screener, we had that retest and we had that level. We managed to get a 8 to 1. That's enough, I think. And now let's wait for the next one here in the long reload zone. At this point in time, no, I don't see anything interesting. Well, my trade on Matic is still active. I had a scalp here from Sunday, just before the live stream. We had this one, or exactly in the live stream. I don't remember exactly. I know Stefan told me that someone told him that Matic could have a really nice development. Some people will be interested to stake this one, and I said, okay, let's try a scalp. And I'm still in that scalp. Seems like nothing I can do. I don't want to do anything here. Let's just wait and see what will happen. I'm already in a free position, so. And now we're getting back at this one. Well, if you take this swing low to swing high on lower time frame, yeah, you are getting in the long reload zone. Is bullish, is bearish? I don't know, honestly. If you see a clear W and a clear setup, you can take it. But in the same time, this one could bleed all the way down. And seems like this one will do the same. If they want to stop me out, why not? Well, we managed to get this Bitcoin. Looks promising for the moment. Was a normal thing for the market to stop a little bit here at the support and resistance level. If we bounce back, we don't know. Well, let's hope that will stay here, go sideways, and then break even lower. We had enough liquidity here, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Yeah, Stefan. Helicopters. Okay. Not too many things on Twitter today, but well, if they it's Tuesday, not too many news. It's boring. People are waiting for the moon. I don't know where the moon will be. Straight to 100K. This time is different. You know the drill. People who have enough experience, and if they have a journal, also they know how the market is behaving in moments like this. If you want to sell something, remember to sell in the grid, not in the fear. And if you want to buy something, remember to buy in the fear, not in the grid. Market is stupidly overbought now. Fear and greed index is at 70 and something. Extreme greed, I don't think it's a good idea to do something on the long side. Investing, I mean, trading, swing trading, day trading especially, or scalping, it's a totally different thing. On day trading, I have a clear plan. On session, every time I start to scalp, I'll come to my desk, I'll do my checklist. Yeah, I have a checklist exactly. If I'm able or I'm not able to trade, okay, everything is okay, I'll start trading. I have my plan, I have my setups, I have my time frames. I'll trade 2 or 3 hours, secure the positions, make some money, lose some money. Overall, I want to be profitable, and I'm out. In a couple of hours, I'm out. I don't care if Bitcoin is at 55K. Honestly, I don't care about that. I see a setup, I took it, I made some money, I'm out. I don't care. You can trade in extreme greed with if you are a scalper. But if you are an investor or a position trader, well, you have to keep in mind where you are, because you are in the short reload zone. With Holy Grail, well, you can see here. Let's put Holy Grail. The strongest ones, we have a couple of them, but not too many. And the rest, they didn't do anything today. If we'll go on Bitcoin dominance and we'll zoom in. Well, you can see, I said from yesterday in the London session, I said something about palm chaser zone here, bounce, and it's not depending only on Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin will break down and Bitcoin dominance will go down, that could mean the altcoins will stay flat and Bitcoin going down. It's possible, not a usual thing, but we had a really nice EM here on 4-hour, 12-hour chart, even on daily. But we reached this support and resistance level, and let's wait and see what will happen. If you remember, I said Friday or in the weekend, I said, watch out, it's a long weekend. Let's see how the market will open Tuesday, how will develop Tuesday. Because Yesterday was just another weekend day. And about the strength of Ethereum, stronger and stronger, well, you can see it here. Yeah? Breakout, yeah? Behave like a resistance, accept it above. Well, I don't know if I'm bullish or not against Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's retest this level. No. A lot of people bought this level and pushing higher. Pretty simple. I was hoping here for a deeper pullback, but no. I could delete now that drawings. And of course, I will update my long reload zone. And you can see where the long reload zone is. And if the market will push even higher, you can see 61.8 if will touch 0.06. A big fat round number who has some confluence if you look left. And you can see here. Well, that will put our long reload zone and confluence here at this level at 0.05455 kind of idea. So a retest, a Wyckoff check of this level will be possible. For the moment, let's watch higher and let's hope we'll push higher. I don't see anything bearish here. Well, I don't think it's the case to talk about again about weekly time frames. If you want to see my 2 cents about weekly time frames, daily time frames, you can go on and watch the daily plan video I'm doing every day. It's free for everyone. I tag all members from the Discord to draw their attention to the video. It's for public. The rest is up to you. Well, was a clear SFU here. Now, let's see. We'll retest this level. We have the strength to push higher and retest this EM, or we'll break down. Let's see. And if I remember correctly, I said something about alt is trying to break out. No? Hello. He's trying. Let's see if we'll succeed to accept above 50 cents. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe this is just the second attempt and will fail again and we need another one. We don't know that. It's not a good idea to assume a breakout. Sometimes, yeah, you can make some money, but 70% of the time you'll be stopped out. So you need a higher risk reward to even be a break-even trader with that strategy, assuming that the breakout is real. You need at least a 3-to-1 risk to reward to be a scratch trader. 4-to-1 to make some money. So up to you. I prefer to see the range, and when I see a lot of strength, I prefer to stay on the sidelines and play the retest, play different setups. Well, seems like the hype is slowly fading on this one, and I'll go back at my entry. Well, nothing I can do. I said I'll wait, hoping for a high risk to reward. If no, okay, I could take a stop loss today. Why not? I took one on Bitcoin, so I could take one on on this new altcoin. Why not? Well, I still have BNB. And yeah, it's behaving again like a stablecoin. Stop loss is at scratch on this one. How I managed to stay in the trade? Well, you'll have to join Capua 2. You'll have to join VIP at least to get the idea how I'm still in this trade. Because on 5-minute chart, it's a range and I'm still in. How I did that? I just updated the time frame when I was in profit on lower time frame with Holy Grail. So when I was in profit with on 5-minute chart, I switched to 50-minute chart. When I was in profit with 50-minute chart, I switched to 30-minute chart, and so on. So I keep my stop loss all the way down here, and it's still at scratch for the moment. Let's see what will happen. This meet is for everyone. Everyone has access to type in the chat. If you have any questions, please ask. You can ask me questions. You can ask Kevin. I think Kevin is here, and he could answer you. Stefan is here. So that's why we do this meet for general members, already Discord members, to ask questions. To, I don't know, maybe they want to ask us something. DXY, yeah, let's take a look. Well, on 4-hour chart, yeah. But, I said in the morning, Fib Pong is not a bad idea. And I don't know if you know the term of Fib Pong, Ken, because you are a new member on our community, but playing Fib Pong here, I don't think it's bad. I think it's normal. And I'll explain you why. Because we have a range here. We have a big one and I have a small one here, from this low to this high. And the volatility is slowly coming out. And we'll play Fib Pong from short to long, from long to short, and so on until the volatility will almost completely get out from the market. At some point, you'll see an explosion again and more volatility. For the moment, we are lowering the volatility on this chart. You saw here, Fib Pong, and you can see up. You can see I have a lot of support and resistance level here. And now we are stuck between 3 of them. This is the low, this is the middle, and this is the high. Yeah, in extreme condition, we can go to 107. But I think V bottom, V top, V bottom, V top is just playing around in a range. That's my view. Looking at the stock market, well, stock market usually you saw some signs. Yeah, some big players get out already. Slowly they are out from the market. Don't assume that this is the pinpoint top. No, because they cannot get out at top. They don't want to get out exactly in the top. But will not take long, and the top will be there. Just be mindful of that. You will not. They are greedy motherfuckers, so they'll get out just before the top. Yeah, and you saw big guys getting out from stocks, getting out from Apple, getting out from. Yep. They'll not sell exactly the top because I don't know if it's possible to do that, and I don't know if they want to do that because they need a lot of liquidity. So they need a lot of FOMO to have people to sell their shares at that price. In the normal condition, if they'll try to sell too many shares without FOMO, without people trying to buy, well, they'll break the price. And they need a lot of stupid money, stupid people to buy the top for them to sell it. Well, we'll manage to get exactly the top? No. Usually steal some FOMO after they sell. And then they'll just break the price down. Well, if you are a scalper, a day trader, you don't care about that. You just don't care. You have the setup, the stock market opened, you played the 2 setups, and you're out, you made some money, you don't care what will happen until next session. All big guys sold. They sold and they made bunkers, motherfuckers. So I don't know what it is, but definitely it's not good news. Will not happen tomorrow probably, but definitely they know something. That's why they're They have so much money. You want them to tell us? Well, motherfucker Zuckerberg told his people last time. Well, I don't know if he will do the same mistake this time, but last time he did it. Well, let's watch this chart for the moment. I make myself a coffee. And I'll be back on the charts. If someone wants to speak, I'll gladly give him access to speak. And here I mean Stefan, Kevin, maybe, or other gladiator. Well, you see the information, Ken, because you are watching but you see on the public, you see on the media a lot of news about that. The general public knows exactly what is happening. You saw too many news that Zuckerberg is building is building underground houses and things like that, and he's selling shares. No, yeah. So general public is waiting for a really good year. Could take 1 year until everything will break, because the motherfuckers will prepare with some time before. Could take 1 year after the election, or in the election could be something. Well, I don't know, Dalmudi. I get that idea, but he was the only motherfucker who told about COVID to his people, to his employees. And I don't think he will do it again, but he did it last time. Let's call it that way. He was 10 times more honest than Elon Musk. Yeah? See the Elon Musk attitude about that, and see Zuck attitude. Come on, Bitcoin, go down. I hope everyone had the chance to take that trade. Nobody should lose money from now on with that scalp short. And I'm back. Well, the trade is working. Let's see what is happening with this new one. Well, hopefully we'll bounce from this level. If not, uh, Carol was smarter than me. He sold here in the top. I had a different strategy. I have to respect my plan because that is what makes me profitable, my plan, and respecting it. So I was betting for a high risk to reward. If I'll get it, okay. With a high risk to reward, I can afford to take a lot of stop losses, and mine will rate to be low. I posted Stefan SFU. I posted on. I was live on Discord. I was live. I don't know if I was live on YouTube also, depending how much time took for YouTube to. Yeah. So we framed the trade live. Nothing we can do more than that. I'll not go to each and every one of you or people to uh, push the button, buy or sell, and calculate the position size. Sorry. Yeah, you can give me. Just give me access to redraw the money, and you'll see what will happen. Yeah. Give me one Ethereum, I'll give you two back, Stefan. You know the drill, no? Easy money. I'm not a fan of that thing. I just try to scare you so you'll never say that you'll give me your account. Well, seems like for the moment we rejected 50 cents, but we are keep trying. Consolidating below support and resistance level, you know what that means. If it's bearish or it's bullish. Well, like I said, if you have questions, please type in the chat. By the way, Dalmudi, you asked about that drip NFT. You will get that drip. Let me show you. I don't know if it's okay to show you. But I don't think it's a problem either. If it will work, I'll show you. If not, no. So you can try every 24 hours or 20 hours to get uh, legendary or a rare. If you get one, you will get that NFT in once a week. 21 is the next time when you will get one. But usually you will get nothing. When you get a rare, you can upgrade to legendary, and you can keep try until they will give you once a week. It's that simple. So what happened with you was you got a rare, and every time you tried to test if you will get something else, they keep telling you that, well, you didn't want this time, but you still have a rare. Usually you can push the button, I don't know, even 10 times in a row and you'll not get anything. You can get NFTs, not these ones, but you can get a lot of them subscribing to the channels. If you have drops, they'll give you NFTs. If you go here on profile, you will even see when they will do the snapshot. You can see this one is in 13 minutes. Next one is in 1 hour. And if you will give them, they have some rules. If you give them enough drops, you can get a better one. But you get a common one anyway, if you are a subscriber. So for example, on Wiki Taki World, this one, tankers will receive more, who did more than 500 droplets will join a raffle. Okay, but either you give him more droplets or not, you will get a common NFT if you have NFTs, you have droplets here. Even if they are free, you will when you'll get an NFT, you will have to give a droplet. It's that simple. I'm speaking by myself, Dalmudi, or you got the idea? You guys can hear me, or I'm speaking by myself again on YouTube? Okay. For example, this one, well, I could give him some, not too many, but I don't see the value on his what he's posting. You can see not too many people like his work, so I'll wait for a better one. You want to see which NFT I got and how rare they are? Let me show you. Let's see the legendaries. I have a couple of them, not too many. Some of them that I bought with Solana, so they're not from Droplet. But you can see I have a couple of them. Well, rare, I have a lot of them. So that's with the drip. No, it's not rare. It's just, it's not, maybe it's not worthless, but well, he doesn't need a medal. He has money for that, Stefan. He doesn't need a medal now. he got his prize already, and I bet he will start staking the coins. He will not sell them now. Well, see you, Bobo. Well, the trade is still in profit. Is working away. I'll focus to see what is happening on alt and the new one. Consolidating below 50 cents is bullish in my view. It's not breaking down. It's just fighting at that level. And here you can see support already on index. Wyckoff check in this level is nothing special. It's reaching the support area and could bounce from here. If you didn't participate already, you can participate in this giveaway. I'm keeping repeating, but we'll do the draw next Sunday in the weekly crypto review live stream. No, Stefan, is not for you. You are not allowed to participate. Sorry. I see you typing. No. You are a gladiator. You are part of the team. You are not allowed to participate in the giveaway. No, you can participate with I don't know, a fake account or something. You can retweet, but not with your account. If you have 10 different accounts, it's up to you. If you are a giveaway farmer, we have a lot of them because we have 200, almost 200 retweets. And you can see here, these ones, they are bots, and we have some even some some giveaway farmers. The guys with nice comments, usually they are farmers. They do that and only that. Well, let's take this one. Let's see. Let's see what he's doing usually. Well, giveaway. Upset it's fake. Giveaway. Giveaway. What do you think? This is a giveaway farmer? And we can do that with a lot of them. But anyway, it's still the best method to, I don't know, slowly promote ourselves in a solid way. I count on honest people who really will tag their friends and they'll try to do the right thing. Slow and steady. What do you have there? You bought one of that, motherfuckers? Well, they are definitely ugly. I get that. Okay. I could even dare to say they are uglier than you, Stefan. That's the problem. Okay, what is the price? I see in stars, I don't know the dollar value. $80. So because they are so ugly, I could give I don't know, some money. What wallet I have to connect? Okay. No, I don't want to check bad kids because they are ugly like these ones, just more expensive. I know what you're saying, Stefan. That's the truth. They're ugly and expensive. But if the people like them, why not? Who am I to tell that they are ugly and they don't worth the price? No. If the people love ugly, why not? Well, Nathaniel is making profitable trades. Well, nice for him. I like that. Let's copy him and make more money. Let's find the secret from him. He worked a lot for these results. Now, yeah, everyone, well, is on the beach, okay, but he wasn't on the beach 2 years ago when he told me, okay, come with me, let's farm some airdrops. It's more profitable than what you are doing on trading. No, I love trading. I don't want airdrops. Well, you can see the results. I'm still here playing around. He's on the beach. Well, for the moment, let's watch and see what will happen here. We can bounce back, but nice development. Well, I'm at entry and I'm waiting. I don't think I have too many winning chances here, but I'm forced by my plan to keep the trade open. If we are looking to this level, well, we have a breakout already, and now we are doing the retest. But I consider a clear level 50 cents. It's a better support and resistance level, in my view. Well, someone asked in the chat to verify but is already verified. Well, on 1 hour chart, you can see it better. Pushing higher here, taking the liquidity, and okay, fake out. And now is looking for liquidity below these levels. And we'll probably go and take some liquidity here. And when we'll have enough, we can go back in the middle of the range. Slow and steady, level by level. I don't think it's a good idea to close, for me, to close the trade. I'll keep it open. This one could go a lot lower, so I'll trail half of the position anyway. You can see where 38.2 is. You can see where the long reload zone is. Just from this move to from 38 to 52. Now I could delete these ones. Finally got stopped out. This candle, 4 hour candle, is really important. If we'll accept below this level, well, that could mean a nice rejection there. We still have, I don't know, 50 minutes kind of idea. Let's see how this 4 hour candle will close. If we'll close lower, if we'll close like this, it's kind of bearish. Let's see what will happen. We still have, in 50 minutes, a lot of things could change. Well, depending on the time frame. What time frame do you want, Miro? If it's something, anything on the chat on YouTube, please tell me, Kevin. If there are any questions, I don't have the YouTube opened. I don't have the YouTube page opened. There are too many on my screen, so. Yeah, I am from Romania, yes. I'm Romanian. Next question. Yeah, I don't know what you see here, Miro. What do you think you have here? Normal behavior, honestly. In my view, it's just normal behavior. Well, let's take it for the start. Nice opening, pushing higher. The hype is gone. The price has to find the bottom. Well, this is the bottom. Nice W below 78.6. Clear bottom on daily chart. Breakout, retest, pushing higher. Exponential phase up, breaking down for the moment. Short reload zone. Yeah, short reload zone rejection will conform an M here, and now you are between this W and this M, and you should be out. If you are long, take some profit off and keep the rest. If you are not long, wait in the long reload zone to reload or to get long. Well, you are here close to the short reload zone. What do you want to do on? I'm not thinking long here, not even a 1 hour chart. If I see this location, because I have an ugly location here. You are looking for a trade here. I'm not. I don't look for a trade here because I have on higher time frame a bad location, so I'm not interested to, to look at that. So why I should trade here? Like I told you, look at the big location, look at the M, breaking down, retest. But in my plan says I'm not allowed to short. So if I cannot long, I don't have a long location, I just ignore the chart. And I'll draw my long reload zone for some potential levels, for some areas where I could put my limit order. But if you look at the daily chart, pretty normal price action, even clear, a nice one. For head, buleticin. For head headaches, Stefan. I'm joking. You said it, not me. You split the word in two, not me. Well, if we form an M here on Arbitrum, well, okay, we can go down, we can touch the long reload zone, but I'm not in the shorting business anymore. 2024, it's buy the dip for me. That doesn't mean you cannot scalp short. It's up to you if it's in your plan. My plan is slowly ignoring the bearish scenario. I'm more bullish than Moon Boys, but in the same time, I have to be realistic and understand that the price is not going straight up. But I prefer to hunt long ideas. I prefer to sit on the sidelines with the hands under my ass, waiting for good levels to long. That's simple. Well, this one is looking for a bottom, but could look a lot lower for a bottom. Well, Stefan, please welcome the people in the chat or Kevin. I'll give them the role, but point them to the start here channel and so on. I give him the role. You will see that he's changing the color when I give him the role. Okay, so really nice fake out when the stock market opened. Now we can stay in this range or we can break to the downside. I don't know, but good enough for me. So on Arbitrum, nothing to do for me. My interest level is here in between 1.2 and $1, and now it's double the price. I'm not chasing here. Well, seems like indeed Bitcoin dominance is bouncing from that 38.2 pump chaser zone kind of location. And now you can see short reload zone in another big short reload zone. So retesting 54% could mean something. I said in the morning in the Twitter, it's time again to pay attention here at 38.2. And you can see the development. I'll probably do the same when the market will reach the short reload zone 54% or be close to that level. I'll do it again. We can have the top in live stream and live stream on YouTube and live stream on Discord. Yeah, we can, but it's not important. The important thing, we are here to make money. So we got a nice trade. Let's close some here or maybe lower and trail the rest until we'll manage to be stopped out in profit. It's a really nice way to be stopped out in profit. A lot of people don't get how profitable it is to be stopped out from a trade in profit. I don't see any reason we'll not go lower now. I'm not telling you that we'll go lower. I just don't see any reason we cannot go lower. We took the liquidity, we swept everything. Now we can slowly bleed to the downside and do the same thing to the sub levels at 50K, maybe even below. You can see not too many altcoins they are green anymore for today. Jasmine, Atta, Monero, and not too many of them they are green. Well, this one is damn strong. Well, Stefan had a nice trade here in the morning. Managed to take some nice profit in the top. And you can see, take your profit because in the news, in the opening session, we'll probably come back to the same level. Well, can you manage to do something with NVIDIA? Come on, Tolga, you are live with me at that point in time. I guess you are. You saw me putting that trade. Well, it's recorded on YouTube, Tolga. I put a limit order. Tolga was immediately filled, but I put a limit order. How they accepted on Binance probably was to close and it's a market order, but I don't care about that. What wasn't the idea? If it doesn't matter for me. Usually, it's a really good habit to use limit orders, not market orders. But if it's too close, Binance will do the same fucking thing and consider it a market order. 4 hour chart on what, Ken? Well, we are here. Why not? Let's switch. Yep. Like I told you earlier, we had 50 minutes. Now we have 38. Let's see how this candle will close. It's really, really nice and important to see this 4 hour candle close. The lower the bearish, the better for bears. Let's call it that way. It's not. I cannot be bearish here for the moment. I'm scalping. I'm day trading. If you are going daily chart, you'll see higher highs, higher low. Price really strong. Indeed, we have some bearish divergence on 4 hour chart, but nothing more. You can see it here. You can see it here. But if you go on daily, nothing. Yeah, maybe now it's forming something, but I don't. Small one here. Yeah, indeed. A potential one. It's a potential one on weekly can. It's not a confirmed divergence. It's just a potential one. If you will see RSI below this level, accepting below this level, then you'll have a confirmed bearish divergence. For the moment, you have a potential one. So you cannot call it a divergence. Yeah, its potential is there, could confirm, or we can push higher. I don't consider things like that. Yeah, will draw my attention. Yeah, it's possible, but it's not something I will put it like a reason for my trade. I'm using only confirmed divergence. But let's see how this weekly candle will close. We are talking too much, too far. It's early in the week, so well, half an hour and we'll see how this candle will close. Now let's go back on a lower time frame. Well, I am Romanian. Stefan is Romanian. Kevin is from United States. A lot of European guys on a gladiator side. We are from the entire world, so but mostly Europeans, United States. And we have some guys from Australia. That's for sure. Mostly Stefan is the ugliest one from us. The rest of us were not ugly, only Stefan. But he compensates for all of us. It's one thing, Stefan, to say about me I'm ugly, and it's another thing to say about the entire community. It's ugly. Don't do that. I'm joking. Yeah, this picture is from his wedding. He was well dressed up. That's why it's so nice. He's uglier than that. Well, actually, Stefan is not ugly, but we like to joke about that. I don't know if it's ugly. It's not my call. I think his wife should tell us if it's ugly or not. But I'll try to ask her when she's upset with him. So I'll get an honest answer. Well, at least we tried to push her on alt. Well, I hope the next question is not the number of the shoe or things like that. Most of us were in 30 or 40 years old range kind of idea. Yeah, and Stefan says it's better. We are apes. We don't have an age. Keep in mind, Stefan, that's a setup. That's Carol and my setup. Well, it doesn't matter. If you want to learn how to trade, we don't have a problem with that. Well, Kevin is right there. It's damn right. And I'll show you why. If I could find that picture. Well, finally find it. So draw your conclusions. Come on, Bitcoin, go down. Yeah, I know this time is different. I know this time is different. Every time is different, but come on. Well, we took that. Let's see if we'll take this one. And we have some levels to get some liquidity from. We'll go straight down? I don't think so, but who knows? We don't care. We should have our stop at scratch at least. So please, if you didn't took some profit off, please move your stop to scratch or make a free trade, a free position. There are different ways to do that, but please do it. The ugliest thing could happen is to go back up and from a winning trade to make a losing one. You'll be really tempted to move your stop, remove your stop, do stupid things. So don't put yourself in that position that you'll transform a winning trade in a losing one. High emotions, and you'll be tempted to do stupid mistakes. It's that simple. On our community, you have a channel, weekly crypto review. You have a complete spreadsheet, a complete plan for investments. Read it, make a copy, use it if you want. Assume the responsibility for that plan. It's up to you. It's free. We don't charge anything. It's a complete spreadsheet. You can use it on different plans and different investment strategy. Some really cool guys made that spreadsheet, especially for us. We decided to give it for free. It's totally up to you. But if you are joining our community, you don't have an excuse to tell me that, well, I didn't know what to invest, how to invest. Maybe you are not a swing trader. Maybe you are not a day trader. I could get that. But you don't have any excuse to buy small amounts, small parts of some altcoins, and just be patient and wait until the top or close to the top. Use that plan. Follow us Sunday in the weekly crypto review. We are talking about that spreadsheet week by week. Wednesday, Kevin is talking about high time frame altcoins. You can ask him if you have a request. If you want more than that, if you want more than investment part, you want to be a trader, okay, you can join premium, you can join VIP, you can come and do Capwa 1, our trading program. We'll teach you how we trade. For the moment, we are in session. We'll take 3 months until we'll 3 months, maybe even more, until we'll finish, and we'll do another one. But you can book a place, DM Kevin, and he will book you a place for next time. By the way, everyone who wants to join Capwa 1, we don't accept more than 20 people. So if you want that program, you can DM Kevin. He will book you a place. And we'll announce you when we'll open another session. For the moment, we just started with 2024, the first part of the... What you said, Ken? Well, let's ask I don't know. Kevin will not do it. Maybe Stefan, you want to do a TA and do a picture with your mouth open? Okay. Well, you have to understand that TA it's a craft and it's just it'll give you an advantage, not something. You need a plan and risk management to be profitable. You can be the best of the best in TA if you don't have a plan, if you don't have a good risk management. Well, you know what will happen. You lose money. Doesn't matter. You have to have a good plan, crystal ball to be called, but if you respect the risk management, you'll be okay. Slow and steady, Stefan. We are still strong. Yeah, we are dumping now, but the market is still strong. So if tomorrow you'll see the price at 200K, don't. Well, you know how I say, Stefan, at the first dump and then the second dump, go slow and steady. And Stefan, please don't argue anymore with people on Twitter. Please don't do it. It's ugly. I saw you yesterday. Someone said that, and you responded, "Don't do it." Everyone has an opinion. Why you should care? If you are profitable, it's all that matters. Well, you started, Stefan. Sorry. You started. So I know what he said, but you started. You said that first. Well, be honest. Well, you should ask him what time frame. Maybe he was scalping. It's all depending on the time frame. If it's an investor, maybe he's a, I don't know, 10-year time horizon investor, and then $35 could be a good level. Why do you have to argue with him? It depends. Well, use the retweet for the giveaway if you didn't do it already. I didn't post too many things today. Everyone knows I said in the daily plan I'm bullish, but we are in the short reload zone. That should mean a lot. And I'm talking with the community. Our community, people from our community know what I mean when I'm saying short reload zone. General public, well, I'm not really interested about their opinion, how they think. They already had that disease, most of them, called FOMO. You can see from the comments, you can see from the attitude, everyone is, why you are bearish, why you are, well. And this is just the beginning. Wait and see at the top of the market. Good for you. Good for you. Well, Stefan said it better. I don't need to repeat it. Sorry, Sheikh, but we bought a lot lower. Now we are using the strength to sell some. I bought some in the 30 area, but small amounts just to put in some wallets for staking purposes, for some airdrops, things like that. But I had for 5 wallets, but I needed more. Well, Sheikh, just tell me one thing. What greed, fear and greed index look like when you bought? You know that? Well, if it's not red, it's not okay. Buy any deep, but you need some fear. You need lower levels. You'll learn on our community if you'll stay long enough to buy long reload zones. So draw some fib levels and buy below 61.8. Let's take a look. Well, you can see if I'll take the bottom, and let's take the bottom from this level from 2020. Look where long reload zone is. And why Stefan said about $10? Well, that's why, because we have this level here at 78.6. Look at this W untested. Look at this level here. We'll probably go back and retest this level. Needs a retest. But putting a limit order at $10 is not a bad idea. Buying it here, what is the best scenario before the halvening? To buy it here and do an AB equals CD? Yeah, it's possible. So you buy it at 35 and will go to $70. Okay. What you'll do at $70? You'll sell half. What you'll do? You have a plan? I don't know. It's up to you. But the risk reward is not there. Let's say we'll go to $70. And let's say the other idea that will go to 10 or below 10. Well, here you have kind of a one-to-one risk to reward. Nah, not for me. Even if I'll miss this one entirely and will join the bull market without having ING, I'm not buying here. I'm not allowed to buy above 61.8. It's that simple. Just don't do it. For a trade is something different. If I have a trade, I have a stop loss, I decide here, let's say I want to take the trade here, stop loss here. Well, I'll buy the amount, so I'll risk a specific amount on this trade. If my stop loss is hit, I'm out. But to invest, to buy for the long run, 61.8 or lower. Well, I don't know what was your plan, but maybe you need a better plan. I don't know. No. Why I should expect a big crash? Normal things. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll touch 61.8 on Bitcoin. Maybe we'll stop in pump chaser zone. Who knows? I'm not selling and I'm buying the dip. That's my strategy. But I'm not buying the top here. I'm buying the dip. I want a dip so I could buy more. Well, you can see where I'm waiting. I'll get 31, 32 until the halvening, maybe after the halvening, maybe. But I'm waiting there. I'm not buying here. Honestly, I sold above 50K. I sold 40% from what I bought here in the bottom. What I bought below 20K at this W, okay, I sold here 40% of it. And I intend to reload lower if I'll get the opportunity. If this time is different and will go all the way up to 200K, 500K, okay. I still have 60%, so I'm okay in that case. Well, where is your stop loss? Where was your stop loss? Seems like Alt is trying again. What was your risk reward on that trade? What was your clear plan for both scenarios? If we'll go up and we'll hit my take profit area, I'll take some profit off. If we'll go down, where I'll exit and I'll assume the loss. If you didn't have the complete plan before you enter the trade, I'll tell you, but not on YouTube. Seems like you're a Romanian guy, so you know what păcănele means. Well, that's not trading. Okay, now let's go back on lower time frames because here you can see we are still in the middle of the short reload zone. So now either you close 30%, 40% to have a free position and you keep the stop loss at the original place, or you move your stop loss at scratch. It's totally up to you. From now on, we cannot lose money on this one. So it's risk free from my point of view. From this point, we are not risking our own money. The best position we can be now. Market will push back up and stop us out. Okay. Seems like Alt, I said Alt is trying again. Well, I don't know. It's kind of a bearish retest of DCM now. At least on 5-minute chart. Well, we accept it back in the range. Let's see what will happen, but nah. Still possible. On 1 hour time frame looks a bit different. And you can see they took some liquidity here and quickly push it back up. They have some news, Stefan, on Alt or some airdrop or something. I don't know why, but yeah, when they'll have the airdrop. Okay, so they'll try to sell and someone is trying to buy because someone wants to buy, and probably Stefan, that's why the price never pushed higher from this level. Who smart money, if they want to buy, they don't want to buy 10 times higher. They want to buy at this level. Waited for the airdrop. They'll give them enough selling pressure to fill their orders at this level without increasing the price. They'll hide their buys, and then after that, you know what will happen. Will take some time, but they could push this one a lot higher. Yeah, on premium part we have some airdrops. We are talking about, we don't do all of them. We are doing only the big ones and secure ones, let's call it that way. We are avoiding scams. I prefer not to join an airdrop than to participate in a scam or something like that. But we have the big ones, airdrops from I don't know, testnets, airdrops from staking, airdrops from volume. Well, I don't know if it's the biggest, Stefan, but it's definitely one of the most profitable ones. But it's not something I don't know. You think we're doing? We are not doing for something really fast. Slow and steady. Work our wallets. Uh, put some money on staking. Do the test nets if they are important enough and big enough. We got some airdrops. We got Wen on Solana. We are working with Phantom wallets through Jupiter. Some of us Dimension. Some of us managed to get that airdrop, including me, a small amount. But slow and steady. Like I said, 2024 is by the dip. Maybe I'm wrong, but probably I'm not. Well, they do it for clicks. They do it for, I don't know, for more followers. And at the end, in the top of the bull market, the smart ones, Stefan, they will do some scams. And you will see them. I could see some of them already preparing for that. Getting a lot of followers, getting above 100K. That's the number. And after they get above 100K, when a big dip will hit, they'll have exactly what they need to do a scam. And if you have, I don't know, from 100,000 people, if you get, I don't know, 5%, 5,000 of them to give you, I don't know, between 100 and $500 each, do the math. But most of them, they are preparing their accounts for a big scam. Not now, because they know it's not the right time. We don't have new people, not too many of them. Well, it's that time again to claim my droplets. Well, I made some money today. Stefan, I made 8 cents today. I'm profitable. Sorry. I'm more profitable than you. Well, ask Stefan where he bought link. Or look in Discord and you'll see it. On Twitter, actually, and you'll see it. Well, if I have 8 cents and I have 10 accounts and I have 80 cents, and if I do that every day and I'll spend that 80 cents on some NFTs, and that NFTs could go 100x. I'm joking. I'm just doing my part here to claim the droplets. Usually, when I see they are going low, below 50, I'll just go and buy $5. I'll get 500 drops. And then I'll be more tempted to spend it on some NFTs and I'll get back in the same situation. But I have a couple of them here. Let's see if I could see how many I have on this one. Well, 600 useless NFTs. More than 600. All the stupid things are here on my wallet. Yeah, that was a really nice trade. And in that time, I was posting about Link. If you go deep enough and back in time on Twitter, you'll see. We said something about that range on Link. Now it's too expensive. It's not for me. I need a 78.6 retracement on Link to get me bullish again, or at least okay. I could chase in 61.8 or something, but here is too late. But we have some bags. We sold half on the double. I don't know, Stefan. We got Link on the road to financial freedom. Let me check. Let me check really quick. Well, survey says on this one, no. But we posted here in this area. This was my range. This was the level Stefan was talking about. You can see I have a limit order. I will adapt this one. No, I don't know if it will still be valid. But you can see range, clear one, fake out, power of 3. Here we bought on Crypto Traders Arena. This is a nice W on lower time frame. And we bought at 5.5 and we sold half on a double and we have 3 coins and we are deep in profit. For us, it's only one solution. To buy back in the long reload zone. You can see 78.6 is here, a retest of this range. This is my area. Below $10, I'll be interested again to buy it. I could see this one a bit higher, yeah. AB equals CD shows me 22, maybe even higher. But for an investment, is not a level for me to buy. What's the potential? To hit $50? Well, to buy at 20 and to have to have 1.5 risk to reward is not my thing. Well, I'm still in this one. Didn't stop me out. It's what I mean with I'm still in the trade. It didn't stop me out. Carol was smarter than me in this situation. I'm okay with that. I assumed I had a possibility to sell here, and I said no. I want a high risk to reward. If it will stop me out, I will wait until I'll see a clear W on a higher time frame, not on 5-minute chart. I played my chance here with a small risk. If I'll be stopped out, so be it. If the market will bounce and will give me a nice win, well, why not? This one, it's at 78.6, but you have to keep in mind it's a new one. And on Binance, they opened all the way down here. So I don't know. It's up to you. It's trying to hold 50 cents level. But, well, Matic, who had the stop loss at scratch, is out. If you didn't have your stop loss to scratch, and you are still in this trade, you should put your stop loss at scratch. You don't want the market to come back down here. Solana, like I said in the morning in the daily plan, It's in the short 3 low zone, and I don't like to play long ideas here. Even if Muro was bullish, okay, but I have my plan, and I don't like to play long ideas in short 3 low zone. And you can see what happened. Multiple attempts to hunt long ideas, and the market stopped us out every time. I didn't play long on Solana. Actually, I even here in the highs, I even changed some Solana in USDC just to be safe. Land, you can see what is happening here. No W, no W, no trade. We should wait for a clear W here. Well, Jupiter, I don't think it's something unusual for Jupiter here. It's just, like I said, ranging and trying to find the bottom. Dimension, I'm still in this trade. I don't know about you. Alt is trying. Nice rejection. Nice pushing higher. Nice strength here. If it's something I want to hunt with Holy Grail, that will be Alt. I don't know if we have it on Futurist. I think we have. Manta, you can see what is happening. I'm still long on Ethereum with 30%. And I'm okay with that. And Bitcoin, we have the short from the top. Nothing we can do more than that. Let's hope that will break down and test 50K, maybe even lower. And I recommend to close 50% of the trade and trail the rest. Trail the rest means let the fucking stop loss all the way up there. If you are hunting high risk reward, don't be greedy and don't try to get the profit really quickly from the table. Why? Because could be a rare opportunity to get a nice risk to reward. I'll close 50% when I'll see fit, and I'll keep the rest like a hedge to hedge my spot bags. And if I'll see this one will be a distribution pattern. Now, Stefan, you have a complete distribution pattern. If you know, Friday or last week, we spoke about this part of the distribution pattern was the SFU, another SFU. So now we have that. Let's see if it's enough. That's about it from my part. If you want to join Discord, you have a link in the description of the video if you are on YouTube. If you want to join Premium, well, you have that start here, and you'll find the channel where you can find the details for the Premium part. If you want to learn how to be a swing trader and make money and be consistently profitable, well, you can DM Kevin and he will book you a place. You cannot start now because we are already in session and will last 4 months. We just started 2 weeks ago, but we can book you a place and you can start next term. If you want VIP, well, for VIP you need to be a premium member first. To be a premium member, to be for me, it's important to see you can respect the risk management, and then I'll let you join VIP. But overall, we had a nice trade. The rest of them, they're going down. I'll focus on this one on Bitcoin, and I'll try to, after the break, I'll try to hunt alt with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. Let's see. Well, we still need to form an uptrend. If we'll push the highs, then you know how to play with the Holy. We had a move here. We broke the line, so we need more development here for this altcoin to give me an entry with the Holy Grail. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow morning with the daily plan video. VIP guys in the London session, premium guys in the premium part, and so on.